Set a trial date for a man accused in the stabbing death of a fast food manager in Kenner. Ton Trong joins us with details about this case, which goes back nearly a decade.
John, Jefferson Parish Judge Lee Faulkner ruled today that Joshua Every is mentally competent to stand trial. It comes more than 8 years after a crime that left a community in shock.
It was the summer of 2016. Taylor Freelou was a 21-year-old shift manager for Raising Cane's in Kenner. She started working for the Louisiana franchise at the age of 17. On June 29th of that year, she was killed at the Williams Boulevard location during an early morning armed robbery. The crime left her family and community with painful questions.
Why would somebody do this to someone? Especially her, of all people.
Since that deadly day, 3 defendants have pleaded guilty in the case. But until Monday, the mental competency of the man accused of stabbing Freelou was in question, delaying any movement in his case. 32-year-old Joshua Every faces several charges, including first-degree murder and armed robbery. According to Kenner police, surveillance video showed Every standing over Freelou, repeatedly stabbing her when she was already wounded.
This is unbelievable. It's just, I mean, if you want to rob, you know the store, you don't have to go this far.
A judge on Monday found Every competent enough to stand trial.
What it means is he is able to adequately assist counsel. He's got to know what's going on around him, what a trial means, what is a jury, a judge, prosecutor, and also to be able to answer questions by his attorney. If his attorney says, what happened on this day, what happened now? And you have to have all of that to be able to go forward with the trial.
Fox 8 legal analyst Joe Responti says although it's been more than 8 years since the crime, it's not unusual for a case to take this long to get to trial, especially when a defendant's mental capacity is involved. But for Freelou's loved ones who have made multiple trips to court, an October trial date for Every has been a long time coming. Her mother issued a statement saying, quote, "We've had to live through the trauma every time we've been to court over the years. We definitely see this as a win, being one step closer to justice. We are very grateful to our prosecution team for getting us closer to justice for Taylor."
Joshua Every is set to stand trial on October 14th. The Jefferson Parish DA's office is seeking the death penalty in this case. I reached out to Every's attorney, but he said he was unable to comment today.